Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to work on project number 1 for this first project video. So what we need is we need the small card base and the insert. We need the Sending Autumn Wishes Your Way stamp, and we need the little frond stamp. And we need all of these die cuts, including the greeting die cut. So let's go ahead and do our stamping. Just going to move these out of the way for now. We've got our Cajun Craze ink spot, but a few people have said that if you Versamark up your stamp before you use it, it helps make the image clearer. What I'm also being told through comments is that doing this can help stop your photopolymer stamps from turning like fuchsia pink when you use the darker colors. So we're just going to stamp that down, and it's come out really nice and clear. So let's pop the lid back on the Versamark for now. We're going to clean off the stamp, and then we can change it over. Let's just put this one back on the sheet here. And okay, then we're going to pick up this one just like that. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to Versamark up the stamp, and that one didn't pick up any color at all, so let's see how this carries on here. Okay, so we're going to take this one, and we need to stamp it in the bottom corner like this. Okay, and let's just do that step of cleaning off the stamp. As you can see, it's got a little bit of tint to it now, but let's just give it a little scrub in the Stampin' Chamois. No, and it's clear. Nice, 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 nice. All right, that is a tip I will have to remember. The true test will be using like Mill & Mambo or Night of Navy, but it's working so far. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is we have to put our adhesive dots in each corner like this. There we go. Like that. Oops, stuck to the finger. Okay, we're just going to lift the backs off of those, put them in our little tray. And sometimes they're difficult. Okay, and then we need to put this on the inside of our card base. There we go. So when we flip this over like this, we have this kind of peeking out. Okay, now what do we need to do? We need to take this piece and this piece and the greeting, and we need to put adhesive dots on them. We can tell that because it's the little gray circles. So we're going to put one there like that, one like that, and then there, and then we put them on the leaves, on the center, and on the outside of the leaf again. Okay, and then on the greeting, we put one right there like that, and then one like that. Okay, so now we're going to take our card front and we're going to layer these pieces up. So the first one we're going to put down is the little half wreath. So let's just peel those pieces off. There we go. And this is going to go over. Oh, it goes at an angle like this. Okay. There we go. And then the greeting goes like this. And just make sure we're straight before we tag that end down. Okay, and then we're going to take this one and peel those backings off. And we actually, I knew I was missing one somewhere because I had an extra sticky on my sheet, so I don't actually have one in the middle. Okay, there we go. And we're going to put this at the bottom. Okay, pay attention, Lorraine. Nice, nice. Okay, except we put that on later, so we're not putting that on right now. But we are going to take the snail and the toadstool and the wood piece, and we're going to put dimensionals on. So we're going to put one there and there, and then one on the stem. Okay, and then on the wood piece we put 3 on there as well, and on the snail we put 3. So 1, 2, and 3. All right. Okay, so now where are we putting these down? We're putting this piece down first. Okay. And it's covering this up here and just reaching a little bit onto the greeting. And then we're putting this piece down. Like that. And then we put the toadstool down over top of that. Oh, there's lots of pieces. This is going to be really good when it's finished. Okay, this pops in. Looks like it tucks under here a little bit, which is interesting because that's where we put the pieces. So that goes off the edge like that. And then the snail goes over the whole shebang. Okay, and the snail goes like that. All right. So that is our first project completed from the Autumn Abundance September 2024 paper pumpkin kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for project number 2.